Now, what if I told you that charisma isn't something you're born with, but something you can learn? That magnetic energy that makes people lean in, remember you, and want to be around you? Yeah, that. Today, I'll show you how to unlock your inner charm and become so charismatic people can't help but want to know you. Let's jump in. Step 1. Master the power of presence. Let's start with the most overlooked ingredient of charisma: presence. When you're fully present in a conversation, people feel it. Think about the last time someone gave you their undivided attention. Didn't it feel incredible? To master presence, ditch the distractions. Put your phone away, make eye contact, and listen. Not just to respond, but to understand. Presence isn't just about being there physically. It's about showing people they matter. When you're present, you're magnetic. Here's an exercise. The next time you're talking to someone, pretend they're the most fascinating person in the world. Hang on to every word. Nod, maintain eye contact, and ask follow-up questions. You'll be surprised how much they light up and how much they associate that positive feeling with you. Step 2. Use open and confident body language. Charisma starts before you even open your mouth. Your body speaks volumes, and it's saying either, "Come talk to me," or "Stay away." To be charismatic, use open and inviting body language. Stand tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and don't cross your arms. And don't forget the power of a smile. It's like a welcome mat for your personality. The way you carry yourself sets the tone for how people perceive you. So own your space with confidence. Pro tip: practice in front of a mirror. You'll be amazed how much tweaking your posture changes how you feel. Here's another tip. Pay attention to your hands. Keep them visible and use them naturally while speaking. Gestures not only make you look more confident, but also help emphasize your points, making you more engaging. Step 3. Develop the art of storytelling. Facts tell, but stories sell, and they sell you. Charismatic people are great storytellers. They don't just share information, they create an experience. A good story has 3 parts: the setup, the conflict, and the resolution. Keep it simple, but make it engaging. Let's say someone asks you how your weekend was. Instead of saying, "It was good," say, "You won't believe what happened. I went hiking, got lost, and ended up finding this incredible hidden waterfall." Boom, instant intrigue. Stories make you memorable, so don't hold back. To improve your storytelling, practice turning everyday experiences into short narratives. Pay attention to details, like the sights, sounds, and emotions involved. The more vivid your story, the more it will stick with your listener. Step 4. Show genuine curiosity. Charisma isn't about talking. It's about making others feel seen and valued. The easiest way to do that? Be genuinely curious. Ask questions that go deeper than surface-level small talk. Instead of "What do you do?" try, "What do you love most about what you do?" Or, "What inspired you to get into that field?" People light up when they feel understood. And here's the secret. The more interested you are in others, the more interesting they'll find you. It's counterintuitive, but it works every time. For example, if someone mentions they recently traveled, don't just ask, "How was it?" Ask, "What was the most unexpected thing that happened?" Or, "What did you eat that blew your mind?" Curiosity shows you care, and that's incredibly magnetic. Step 5. Master the power of the pause. Here's a little-known secret about charismatic people. They're not afraid of silence. When you pause before responding, you show that you're thoughtful and intentional. It also makes people hang on to your words, creating a sense of gravity around what you say. Next time you're in a conversation, try this. Pause for 2 seconds before answering. It'll feel awkward at first, but the effect is incredible. People will see you as confident and composed. Bonus. Pausing gives you time to craft a better response. Pauses also give your audience time to absorb your words. This is especially powerful when you're telling a story or making a point. Silence can be just as impactful as words, if not more so. Step 6. Mirror. Their energy. One of the quickest ways to build rapport is to mirror someone's energy. If they're high energy and enthusiastic, match their vibe. If they're calm and thoughtful, dial it down. This isn't about being fake. It's about creating harmony. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel comfortable. By subtly mirroring their tone, pace, and even body language, you're sending a powerful signal. We're on the same wavelength. But keep it subtle. You're not a mime. Here's a pro tip. Pay attention to their speech patterns. Do they use lots of metaphors? Match their style. Are they more analytical? Lean into logic. Adapting your approach makes people feel understood on a deeper level. Step 7. Radiate optimism and positivity. Charismatic people have a way of making you feel good just by being around them. That's because they radiate positivity. Now, this doesn't mean you have to be relentlessly cheerful, but it does mean focusing on the bright side. When you're positive, you're a magnet for others. Compliment people genuinely, celebrate their successes, and find humor in everyday moments. Your energy is contagious, so make sure it's the kind that people want to catch. If you're having a tough day, practice gratitude. Even small moments of thankfulness can shift your energy. And when you're grateful, it's hard not to exude positivity. Step 8. Speak with clarity and confidence. How you speak matters just as much as what you say. Charismatic people are confident communicators. They speak clearly, avoid filler words like and like, and project their voice. If you want people to listen to you, sound like someone worth listening to. Here's a tip. Slow down. Speaking too quickly makes you seem nervous, while a steady pace exudes confidence. And remember, enthusiasm is your best friend. When you're excited about what you're saying, others will be too. Another trick. Use strong, active language. Instead of saying, I think this might work, say, this will work. Confidence in your words breeds confidence in your listener. Step 9. Own your uniqueness. Charisma isn't about being perfect, it's about being authentic. People are drawn to those who embrace their quirks and stand out. Maybe you have a goofy sense of humor, a unique perspective, or a quirky laugh. Lean into it. Trying to be someone you're not only makes you forgettable, but when you're unapologetically yourself, people remember you. Confidence in your individuality is the ultimate charismatic trait. So, ask yourself, what makes you uniquely you? Then own it. Here's an exercise. Write down 3 things that make you different. Then think about how you can highlight those traits in your interactions. Uniqueness is your superpower. Use it. Step 10. Practice, practice, practice. Here's the truth. Charisma is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Put yourself in situations where you can refine these techniques, strike up conversations, tell more stories, and challenge yourself to meet new people. Don't worry about being perfect. Every interaction is a chance to learn and improve. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and you'll notice people naturally gravitating toward you. Here's a fun challenge. Make it a goal to make 1 new connection a day. Whether it's at work, in a coffee shop, or even online, each conversation is a step toward mastering charisma. Charisma isn't a mystery. It's a set of habits anyone can develop. When you master presence, curiosity, and authenticity, you become someone people can't help but notice. Apply these steps one at a time, and watch as your confidence and connections grow. The key is starting small. Over the next week, try one of these techniques in your daily interactions. Maybe it's showing genuine curiosity or telling a vivid story. Focus on one area and practice it until it feels natural. Charisma compounds over time, and the results will surprise you. Charisma isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the most connected. It's about making others feel seen, heard, and valued. And when you can do that, you'll not only attract people, but leave a lasting impression that keeps them coming back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who could use a confidence boost. and hit subscribe for more tips to help you thrive socially and professionally. Thanks for spending your time with me. Now go out there and shine.